Good morning, children. Welcome to biology session. Now, today we will start about the commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms, how they are commercially used. What are the microorganisms? They are naked organisms, small organisms which can be observed only under the microscope. So, let's go with the experiment. In this experiment, we are going to prepare alcohol, how microorganisms are used in the preparation of alcohol, these all things. Okay, coming to the procedure, first aim of the experiment will be production of alcohol, children. See, in this way, microorganisms are used commercially. What are the apparatus required here? Sugar, yeast, water, two beakers and lids to close the beakers or glasses, whichever you are using. Coming to the procedure. So take half of the water in two separate beakers or glasses, children. Add 5 to 10 spoons of sugar to each beaker. Then add 2 to 3 spoons of yeast to one of the bowls only. Only one of the bowl you have to add that. Close both the bowls now with the lids and keep in a very warm place. Normal warm place, you keep it in a warm place. You avoid cool places. So what happens after 3 to 4 hours? You remove the lid and smell the contents which are there in that. So what difference did you observe between two bowls? What will be the reason for the order in yeast mixed bowl? Yes. So what happens in the bowl which is filled up with yeast, which is mixed up with yeast? It will smell. Yeah. So this is the characteristic smell of alcohol. So you will smell it like an alcohol smell. That will be the observation. And what is the final result? Why we are able to smell it like an alcohol? Because sugars are converted into alcohol by yeast, and this process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. So we have already discussed fermentation in the last class, and we have also done an experiment. You have all brought you have bought the idli batter, dosa batter. We have observed fermentation, how it is getting fermented. So this process is used on a large scale in the production of alcohol, children, and wine and beer and acetic acid also. So, what is acetic acid? It is used in the production of plastic, soft drinks, and bottles. See, alcohol, beer, wine, these all things. So, this process, fermentation process, is used in a large scale. Yes. Yes, children. Yeast is grown in natural sugar present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juices like grapes. So we have also heard with the grape juice alcohol is prepared. Yes. So what is molasses, children? Molasses is a thick dark brown juice obtained from raw sugar during the refining process. It is produced in sugar industry and it is used in the preparation of ethyl alcohol by adding yeast for fermentation process. So when you are adding yeast, sugars are converted into alcohol. And this what happens, and this conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. That means yeast is helping in the process of fermentation by converting sugar into alcohol. This is the commercial use of microorganisms uses. In this way, they will prepare alcohol, wine in large scale. They will produce alcohol, wine, beer, acetic acid, these all things, children. Okay. In the next class, we will continue with the medicinal use of microorganisms. Coming to the assignment part. So define what is molasses. Second one, write a note on the commercial use of microorganisms. I hope you understood the class, children. Thank you.